Hey hustlers, Miles here. In today's video we're going to go over how to deal with competitors in your niche on Etsy. Let's get into it. So welcome back to Hustle Endeavor. Please like, subscribe and hit the notification bell if you like this video. If you're new here on this channel, we're all about hustling hard today for a better tomorrow by building profitable income streams online. And the income stream we're all working on currently at the moment is Etsy. So let's dive into the topic of the video. Now, recently I was inspired to do this video because recently I was doing a SWOT analysis on my store. I generally do this about every 3 months. If you don't want to know what a SWOT analysis is, I just did a previous video on that. So go and have a look, watch that, and then come back to this. But anyway, I found that there was a few stores imitating my best sellers on Etsy. There's people imitating my style, imitating my designs, that sort of thing. So when you start making sales, people are going to be able to see that you've got a successful store, and it's inevitable that people are going to imitate you and try to copy your style and your store as well, and they'll price a bit lower than you. And what they don't realize is that is a really bad strategy to use on Etsy. Etsy's not Amazon, okay? People on Etsy are not looking for the cheapest products, cheap knockoffs. They're looking for something special. That's the type of buyer. Are they probably making sales in my niche, using, copying or sort of imitating my style? Yes. Has it affected my sales in those areas? Absolutely not. Now, this all comes down to your branding and why branding is so important. If you've not really spent the time building a proper brand, it's easy when people to come in to get knocked off the pedestal, okay? But if you spent the time building a brand, an authentic brand, you got good product images, your designs are good, and your brand appeals to the type of people that you're trying to target, if anything, people are going to gravitate more to your stuff. These type of buyers, as I said, are looking for something special. So they're willing to spend a little bit more for something special. They don't want to knock off, they want the real thing, okay? So part of building a fantastic brand on Etsy is having a great USP or unique selling point. So this is really what's going to differentiate you from your competitors. Most people getting in are not even going to be thinking about a USP, and that's why you should be, okay? So a couple of tips on coming up with a USP. The more specific your USP is, okay, the better it is, okay? So if you look around Etsy, everyone's saying, I've got quality products, quality gear, quality mugs, whatever it is, okay? Anyone can say that, but compare that to someone that says, let's say, for every mug you buy, we'll plant a tree. Or if you buy 3 of our t-shirts, you'll get 1 free. Very specific USPs. You see those ones are better. It's more specific than, say, someone that just says they got quality products, okay? So the more specific you can be and the more benefits you can show to buying your products over someone else, the more chance you are of having, of someone choosing your store, okay? Again, you are gonna get copied, so it is really, really, really important that you build a brand, guys. If you don't build a brand, when people come into your marketplace, it's going to be really easy for people to displace you, okay? That's why you build a brand. So hope you found this useful. If you like this kind of information, I am bringing out a new course, an A to Z course on how to build a successful Etsy store. It's going to be coming out in a few weeks. If you click the link below, you can sign up to the early bird waiting list and be notified of when it's released. So, as I said, if you like the video, please like and subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and let me know in the comment section how you're getting on with your Etsy stores. Keep hustling, and I'll see you in the next one.